How to choose the right cosmetics for your face. Your face is priceless. This might be a mundane and oft-repeated statement, nonetheless, very true. It's how you take care of your face that dictates its value and people's perception towards you. A good face does not necessarily mean a beautiful face. There are various facets that make for a good and acceptable face, and here we talk about one of them. Choosing the right cosmetics for your face is the one thing that is of seminal importance as far as the upkeep of your face is concerned. There are various factors that must be considered before you choose a particular cosmetic. Some of these factors or parameters are centered on the overall beauty effect, while other factors deal with the inherent content of the cosmetic. Trial and error. For many people, the concept of choosing the right cosmetic for their face is based on a method of trial and error. The face is used like a laboratory, on which various tests are conducted. As can be imagined, this is not the right way to choose a product for your face. By the time you end up choosing the right one, your face might show all evidence of being harshly used. Choosing the right cosmetic for your face. Choice dependent on the skin tone. The cosmetics that you select and pick for use on your face must match the tone of your skin and must go a long way in complementing it. For e.g., if you have a skin tone that is olive or chocolatey, then a darker foundation can be the best choice for you. On the other hand, if you have a fair skin, then you must go for makeup that has a lighter foundation, meaning lighter tones. Such makeup will enhance your features and not wash them out or overpower them. Don't make price the issue. We have already talked about the importance of your face, and you know it better than us. Good makeup can be quite an expensive buy, and in terms of cosmetics, quality is directly proportional to an increase in its price. Many a times, people warn you with the fact that a high price of a particular item does not guarantee good quality, but this fact does not hold true for cosmetics. Saving money on your cosmetics might mean putting the complexion, texture, and the whole nature of your face in jeopardy. It's an undeniable fact that cheap makeup looks cheap. If you are looking to save money in this case, then hunt through various departmental stores, which might just offer you some great deals with regards to cosmetics. With respect to skin type. People have different types of skin. Some have dry skin, others have normal skin, while there are still others who have oily skin. Do not use cosmetics that are only meant for oil skin, on a dry skin type. That would mean trouble in terms of skin irritation or allergies. Harmony of colors. Color harmony refers to the coordination of the colors of the cosmetic with the color of your skin, and overall producing a well-coordinated and acceptable effect. The cosmetic must enhance the natural color of the skin and must blend in with hair color, eye color, and of course, the skin color. Personal taste. The cosmetics that you use must be a reflection of your own personality and not somebody else's. This is because not all cosmetics and their type of use suit each and every person. Some people look good if their face is heavily made up, while others look downright ugly if their face is heavily plastered with cosmetics. For many people, a simple made-up natural look works best rather than an overt sense of having used cosmetics. The ingredients. Many cosmetics use various ingredients that might adversely affect the state of your skin and your overall health. Such ingredients are very often animal derivatives, microbes, even petroleum byproducts. Their usage leads to conditions like allergy, dermatitis, etc. Before you choose a cosmetic, read all that it contains. However, most of the time, you are unaware of the adverse effects of the ingredients mentioned on the pack. Therefore, it's important that you concentrate on cosmetics that have been made from natural or organic alternatives. The only drawback in this case is the cost. They are quite prohibitive in terms of price, but well worth it. Research. It's easy to go into a shop and select from the cosmetics on display. Yes, if you have a clear idea about its benefits and know that it's the right choice, then well and good. However, it would be a good idea to do some reading and get some information from various sources about the feasibility of using a particular cosmetic. Get a fair idea about the good brands from people around you and make your selection, only after carefully scrutinizing all the available products. These are just a few tips and considerations, which you must think about before buying the right cosmetics for your face. But they will definitely make your job a little easier.